The People's Democratic Party (PDP) for Ward 2 Oredo local government area of Edo State don expel Honorable Ogbeide Ihama Omorege, former member Federal House of Representatives representing Oredo Federal Constituency, from the party. Dem make this decision during one big meeting wey dem do for Airport Road, Benin City, where party members gathered to discuss im matter. The expulsion follow wetin happen 6 weeks before, when on May 3, 2024, the ward executives and ogas dem for Oredo Ward 2 first suspend Honorable Ogbeide Ihama for 30 days and say dem wan use the suspension take do check on the allegation of anti-party activities wey dem put for im head. During this time, dem set up one disciplinary committee to investigate the matter. According to them, dem try reach am many times, send letters and call am for phone, but say Honorable Ogbeide Ihama no gree show face for the disciplinary committee wey meet 5 times. Say na that one come make the committee look the evidence and recommend say make dem expel am from PDP sake of say im violate the party constitution under section 58 subsection 1 wey cover different serious offences. To support the expulsion, Oredo PDP Ward 2 Chairman Lawrence Agwebo come talk say e don tey wey dem suppose suspend Honorable Ogbeide Ihama sake of say im don dey do anti-party activities, especially the one wey Honorable Ogbeide Ihama don give in building for Ring Road by Sapoba Road Junction to All Progressive Congress (APC) to use as campaign office for the September 21, 2024 governorship election for Edo State.
Recall that 6 weeks ago, precisely 3rd of May 2024, the ward executive and critical stakeholders of Oredo Ward 2 met and suspended Honorable Ogbeide Ihama Omorege for a period of 30 days, and a disciplinary committee was set up for him. The committee wrote him letters and called him on phone and sat 5 times, and Ogbeide Ihama Omorege failed to appear before the committee. Today, we have received the report and recommendation of the committee, which has recommended the expulsion of Honorable Ogbeide Ihama Omorege from the PDP. The offense of Honorable Ogbeide Ihama Omorege, for which he now stands expelled, is captured under section 58, subsection 1, A, B, D, E, F, H, I, J, and L.
The party members for Ward 2 Oredo local government area come agree with wetin the committee talk through voice vote, as all of them agree say make dem expel Honorable Ogbeide Ihama. The chairman Lawrence Agwebo come talk say make the general public not do any business wey concern PDP with Honorable Ogbeide Ihama again.
With the expulsion of Honorable Ihama Omorege, members of the general public are to cease and desist from doing any business that has to do with PDP with him.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Oredo local government area of Edo State, Ekata Ojisele, TMC TV News.